Aquarius, we're finishing off the readings today with you. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, and this is your channel messages for the 19th of November. Aquarius, you can copyright me in this episode of your reading because we're going way back, way back. We have 14 years back ago, right? To listen to none other than Richie Loops. Oh shit, advertisement. Are you ready to party? Are you ready to dance? Are you ready? Are you ready to party? What's in my cup? My cup, hey. What's in my cup stays in my cup. I got my swag up high. Thank God I give my... What's in my cup stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My drink is in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My cup. My cup. My cup. Hey. What's in that? And let me tell you something. When I was going to Center Lacard, me say every morning liquor in a Rusland cup. Hey, what's in Rusland's cup stays in Rusland's cup. Rusland's cup stays in his cup. Coffee and liquor is in his cup. In his cup stays in his cup. Rusland's cup. Oh, Rusland's cup. Oh, it's weird though. I never knew that a Russian could teach me French. He didn't teach me French. He taught me how to tell time in French. You know, some of us trust them blood clot Russians, yeah. You know, say, hey, things I get more skeptical nowadays. The fuck you not teach me French for? Fuck you know it's French. What's in his cup stays in his cup. The same full of liquor. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm in a business. If he could learn like that on alcohol, I would fuck him off alcohol. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. He was... Let's go ahead and go into your reading, alright? So this is the overall message I see. So I'm getting something. Okay, so something is in someone's cup. I'm getting that ain't coffee. That's coffee spiked. Or that ain't juice. I'm getting that is lean. I'm getting something in somebody's cup. I smell somebody's cup. Or something about a cup. What happened? Okay, what's in your cup stays in your cup. Okay, something about a cup. Let's see what your overall message is. It is the Empress. Taurus energy, okay. What's in your cup stays in your cup. I'm getting nothing is in the Empress's cup though, because the Empress don't drink. Okay, there's nothing in her cup. There's something on her lap. There's something on the floor. But I'm getting the Empress don't drink. So if that's the narrative you're trying to say, that's why the Empress... Why you act like that? How do I act? Don't you see how you act? That's why nobody want to be around you, right? Maybe you're trying to blame why the Empress is acting this way. Is alcohol intoxicated? It is not. The Empress does not drink. She's Venus. You would drink for calm your nerves because you need to interact with a woman. Empress is the energy that makes you a woman. So I'm getting, yeah, something about the Empress's cup. Now this could be a drug test. Somebody want you pee in one cup. I'm getting urine. They want a urine sample. Or again, I don't know, maybe you're thinking someone's, and you have to put the garbage in the cup. I'm sorry. I don't know how they're gonna deal with me. Anyways, so we have the Three of Cups coming up first. What's in my, what would you say? What's in my cup stays in my cup. in my cup, stays in my cup, my drink is in. I'm getting 3 of cups. Literally, what is in your cup? Now, if you see just because you see the Empress around all the girls that are drinking, maybe the Empress is the designated one to have some sense in her so that everybody can go home safely. Does the Empress hang around drinkers? Yes, I would think that, but I don't think the Empress is a drinker. So I'm getting something about this cup argument. Want to know about the cup? You need to be selling plates. You're talking about fucking cups. Where's your plates? Your knife and fork? You're the Queen of Wands, another woman. I'm getting a lot of women. This could be something about breast size, something about cups. B cup, C cup, D cup. I'm getting girls with different breast size, or all of these girls are comparing their breasts together. All of the girls except the Empress. I'm getting a lot of women here. The 4 of Wands. I'm getting 4 women in this house. It could be a 4-bedroom house or a house with 4 beds. I'm getting 4 women. One is a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. One is a Taurus, and the other 3 could be water signs. I'm getting all of them living in this house. This could be reality TV. But I'm getting the Queen of Wands kind of by herself. The Empress ignores everybody, and 3 girls who are friends. Okay? Yeah, the Devil card. I'm getting a lot of girls. I'm getting a lot of girls, a lot of cups, bras, cups. I don't know. I'm not linking it together properly. I'm getting something about cups, something about brassiere. This could be something like a period cup. You, if you use that, I'm not gonna judge you, but you're nasty as fuck, bitch. Like, you're a nasty bitch if you use that. And I'm not going to judge you, but brother, if you use it, you're nasty. Just like how you can think that I'm a nasty bitch because I'm homeless. So you can be like, oh, this homeless nasty bitch, you know? Yeah, but if you use a period cup, bro, you're nasty as fuck. Why would you have a cup inside of your uterus to catch the drain, the blood? And then you're gonna try to take that out. What if it spill over in your uterus when you take it out? Now you have that blood from this more. Anyways, yes, so I'm getting something with all these women. You and all these women in this house. I don't know if this is a video shoot. I'm getting something about a video shoot with all these women at this house. No, the only video shoot I was a part of with a lot of women in our house was Taya, Boss Lady. The producer was Joe Bandanovich, the biggest Jew in Jamaica, right? Him, when I was like going high school, me doing production with him. With me and a bag of girls in a lingerie. People probably thought I was prostituting. No, I wasn't. It was a music video set. So I'm getting something about a music video set for somebody to see you on. Maybe they think you're a prostitute because they see you on something. If it's not a music video set, I'm getting something about you're living in a house with all of these women. A bare woman alone. But I'm getting the woman, so the woman them probably want you to drink with them so them can have sex with you. They want you to see if you're lesbian. Getting a lot of women here, they drink. And what happens when women drink? They're going to get horny. Especially if they're all beautiful women, they're going to get horny with each other. So maybe that's what they want the Empress do. They want the Empress to drink around these women, but the Empress have her back turned to them. Because what's in her cup stays in her cup. Naya water is in her cup. Her drink is in her cup. In her cup is in my cup. My cup. Naya water. My cup. Naya water. My cup. Yeah, I'm getting, there's liquor for everybody. And the most that the Empress is going is grape juice. That's the most she'll go. Closest to wine. And now we have the Queen of Cups. The King of Cups. Okay, so we have one man here who is looking at this house full of women. I don't know if all on the drunk or the man that tries to pair on these 4 women. We're getting a 5 woman in this house. What this man I watch. I don't know if the man have 5 different women, like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, like you have 2 wife and 3 side bitch, something like that. I don't know what this is. We have the Knight of Swords, we have the 5 of Cups, we have the Ace of Swords, we have the 2 of Pentacles, and we have the 2 of Wands. We have 22 here. I don't know, man. I'm getting something about a cup, fingerprints on the cup. Something about a woman passing you a cup and you drink it and then you knock out. or something about you drinking alcohol. I don't know, I feel like all of these women want you to drink alcohol with them, but I feel like it's more for a sexual reason. Maybe somebody wants to see how you get angry, somebody wants the devil come out of you. So I'm assuming if they can get you around women that you like, and then all of the women drink, you will succumb under peer pressure. Sweetie, almost all of my schoolmates them pregnant now. I did not succumb off of the pressure to be pregnant. Nor did I succumb off the pressure to have a man. Even if people around me did. So this is the wrong type of peer pressure you're using. If you use money pressure, I come from a place where you use money pressure. You're talking about peer pressure. Peer pressure going to hit her to say yes. Peer pressure will make her drink. Peer pressure can't make me with a blood clot, nothing. The peer better pressure my ass so it can be a little bit bigger. That's the only fucking pressure I'm thinking about right now. Or I don't know if you feel like if you put somebody around wealthy business women who, this is what we do, we drink. You don't drink, oh, you're homeless, right? Yeah, that's why I'm homeless, come to drink, right? Right? Because I'm sober. Apparently the real world is for drug users, right? So maybe somebody want like put you around these women, you can feel bad because the woman them a drink and you're the boring one sitting up there. I don't know, somebody feels like peer pressure it can be used on you. Did peer pressure was used on your mother? Why she had you? Why your mother fucks her earlier have you? My mother did earlier have me too. This is not a blame game. I just ask you why your mother did fucks earlier have you. Because at least she have me turn out to be one word renowned terror reader. Where she have you and you turn out to be. Because your mother earlier waste her. My mother earlier at least YouTube did get me at this blood clot time. So my mother pussy juices was not in waste. Tell me, why did your mother waste her pussy juices on you? For why? Let me get some of these. Again, I'm gonna leave it again. Can we just talk? LGBTQAI plus, duh. I'm getting them wine, get you drunk, you get pressured for drink, and when you drink, they're gonna just kiss you. They're gonna say, just kiss her. If she push you off, it means she don't gay. And if she just kiss you, it means she gay, and you're drunk. LGBTQAI, so I'm getting that's what it is. You're going to be paired with a lot of women, be around a lot of women, they're going to pressure you for drink, and you're going to kiss one, have sex with one. I don't know what you're going to do with one. I don't know. Enemy, maybe enemy want to have dirt on you, fuck them all. You shouldn't need to have dirt on you, she just need to take off her underwear, she'll see dirt. Capricorn and one way. You want dirt on me, sweetie? Why don't you ask your man? How was the session? I'm joking. They just ask if you're fine and you're not fine. You're homeless. How could you be fine? There's no way possible you could ever be fine, okay? I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.